The grain count is short by 200 sacks. We cannot sail.
Silence! Move forward! Keep the line tight! We sail now!
We are already short on grain for the crossing.
We must make do. The fleet cannot wait.
Move those barrels now. Keep the line moving.
A transcription adheres to the established rules and constraints, accurately reflecting the spoken content in the provided.
We are still short on the grain tally, Master. We cannot sail.
The wind is fair now. All hands, secure the mooring lines. Heave!
Keep moving, watch the mud.
We lost a full basket of amphorae in the crossing. The count is off.
Account for the loss, Tavia. We push inland regardless. Keep moving! The sea cares nothing for your empty stomach.
Move! We claim to restore, but we must first bleed the land to pay for the cure.
The grain is spoiling faster than we can unload it.
Pull together! Match the drum! Hold the line! We are already behind schedule. Where are the missing ships?
They broke formation in the storm. We must prioritize the grain count for the ships we have now. Keep the line tight. Move forward.
Next. One measure only.
Quickly now, no stopping. Easy now. How many days?
3, maybe 4.
We'll get you ashore soon. Try to rest. How long can we sustain the advance with these losses?
We need resupply within the week, Commander,
or the lines break. The ledgers do not lie.
Keep the line moving! Push forward!
We need those supplies off the boats now. Watch the tide. Spear. We are already 3 days short on the grain shipment, Damar. We cannot feed this many men. The grain count is low again, Damar. We cannot feed the legions past Tuesday.
Move, you dogs! Get those wagons up the ridge now! We are short on the grain shipment, Commander. We cannot move this fast. Keep moving. Clear the beach now. We are already running short on the grain issue.
The tallies are exact, Commander. We must prioritize the frontline units first.
How much longer until the next water source? 3 days march at this pace. We must conserve the skins. Hold the line. Shields up. Move those rocks.
How many dead? Can we move the grain?
We are losing time. Tell them the pass is blocked.
Push harder. Push harder. Get that grain clear of the mud now.
Keep the perimeter tight.
You, move faster with those sacks.
More sand.
Now!
We are already short 3 days' grain for this cohort. The ledger won't balance.
Hold the line. Secure that rigging now. Move.
The audio is dominated by the sounds.
If we secure this position, the route is open.
And if we fail, the men starve before winter. The supplies are already strained.
Hold the line! Keep moving! The rations are spoiled, Damar. We cannot feed them. Silence. Push forward.
48, 49, 50. We are short 200 weight for the Thracians.
It is all there is. We must move before the fog lifts.
Note the deficit. We will account for it later.
We are short 3 days' grain for the forward cohort, Damar.
We cannot advance the line without risking the supply.
Forward! Move the carts! We don't stop until the depot!
Move those grain sacks faster! We are behind schedule!
2 tokens! That is all you get!
Hold the line! Push up the beach! The count is short by 50 amphorae. We cannot sustain the line past Tuesday.
Move it!
There are no exceptions. Get that gear unloaded now!
Audio begins with the sounds of a bustling harbor, the rhythmic thumping of drums, the creaking of ropes and...
Proceed.
Keep the line moving. Secure the grain.
We are short 300 rations. Hold the line. Push them back.
We push through the ridge here. It is the only way.
The supply lines cannot hold, Damar. We are already low on grain.
Move forward. Close the ranks.
I need those provisions secured now, not tomorrow. We are already behind schedule.
The audio features the sounds of wind, waves, creaking wood, and distant shouted...
Hold the line. Push forward. We hold it. Here.
line! Close ranks on me!
Sir, let us help you back.
No, steady! Advance!
Sure.
We are already short 300 sacks for the third cohort. We can't move forward until this is reconciled.
The count is off by 50 sacks.
We don't have enough.
Push up! Close the gap!
The cost is mounting, Tavia, but we cannot stop.
The audio features a tense conversation between logistics expert, a logistics...
This shipment is incomplete. We are missing 40 rations. Please, this is all that remains for the winter.
Move it out! The sea waits for no man. Keep the line moving. Next dispatch.
We have provisions for 12 days, perhaps 10 if the storms continue.
Send this immediately.
The grain is critically low, Damar. We cannot sustain this position.
I know, Tavia, but the Emperor demands we hold the line. Move those stones faster. We don't have all day. Keep the line moving. Don't stop. Keep the line moving. On your feet.
The cost rises daily. We are spending goodwill faster than coin. The grain is low, Damar. We cannot sustain this pace past the river. That is the last of it. One measure only. Move along, quickly now.
Forward. Close the gaps. Keep the rhythm.
Steady now. Watch the flank.
We are still short 5 sacks of grain for the second
The
cohort.
carts are bogged down, Khaton. We have enough grain for 3 days. Perhaps 4 if we cut the Legion's rations again.
The men are already exhausted.
I am unable to fulfill the request. I cannot generate the detailed visual descriptions or the extensive...
The clover seems to be here. The audio begins with the ambient sounds of a military encampment at night.
The grain count is short by 300 sacks.
Half the third is yesterday's. We are losing, Commander.
But is a single line of transcription reflecting the most salient spoken words occurring during the 8-second video.
That is enough. That is enough. Hold the line. Move forward slowly.
The count is short, Damar. We don't have enough grain for the reserve cohort.
We are already short 3 days of grain, Damar.
We push to the river crossing regardless.
Hold the line. Move those carts now.
Every decision is a gamble. How many sick can we carry?
The grain count is short. We are already strained.
Keep the formation moving. Move!
The fever took 3 more. We are low on bandages, Tavia.
I know the count. The requests are logged, but the ships are late. We make do with what we have.
The audio features a man speaking in a calm but weary voice.
We are already short the 20 sacks. I cannot feed this cohort.
Hold the line! Push forward!
The cost was too high.
Count what remains. Then march.
Get it moving!
It's stuck, Commander. We can't budge it.
Then burn it and keep marching.
We must move through the marsh before the rains. The position is otherwise untenable.